fact, let me just go to both of these motherfuckers so all of y'all can get a clear understanding of what I'm saying. Cause there's just too much weak shit going on. I wish I found out sooner. Damn, Uzi. As y'all know, I posted a stat earlier, and the stat stated, money don't make you real, because it's some fuck niggas with a bag, man. Some real life fuck niggas, and y'all know who y'all is, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna set the record straight for y'all, you know, while y'all concerned and worried about me. At the end of the day, some of you niggas is real live bitches. You know, life changed for me when I started having kids and shit, and I bagged up, and you know, I didn't apply pressure as much as I used to, because the motherfucker got older and fell back. But some of the shit you people is doing, man, is weirder than a motherfucker, man. Some of you niggas is straight bitches. Like bitches. And if I didn't think I would have to crash out on you to tell you that, I would tell you that. But I already know some of you niggas like bitches. And if I didn't think I would have to crash out on you to tell you that, I would tell you that. But I already know some of you niggas that I had to crash out on. Y'all motherfuckers running around here and just because you got a couple dollars, man, that shit don't make you real. You niggas pussy in all of y'all ways. You niggas running around this motherfucker gossiping like bitches, and then when a motherfucker name get brought up, here go my, keep my name out. How do y'all expect to keep y'all name out of shit and you niggas gossiping like bitches, pillow talking with these bitches? You niggas hoes, flat out. And like I said, at the end of the day, man, you can address me with anything you want to address me with. I'm not scared of nobody but God. As you all motherfuckers know in that city, I don't give a fuck who you are. If you think you gonna do something to me and get away with it, you got another thing coming. And I ain't scared or afraid to fight, take an ass whooping on none of that, because I ain't taking them. I'm not taking none of them. But a lot of you niggas is hoes, man. You niggas is bitches. Hiding behind the police the whole motherfucking 9 yards. It's just been some weak ass shit going on. Niggas sit up and gossip with motherfuckers. You gonna talk to this motherfucker and talk to this motherfucker and say, I'm cool with both of y'all. But if you cool with both of us, why in the fuck do your name? You want to stay mutual? You want to stay out of it? Shut your motherfucking mouth then. Don't speak on nothing, nigga. If you want to stay out of it, shut the fuck up, nigga. Y'all motherfuckers do some of the weirdest shit ever. And I'm tired of motherfuckers talking about, oh, my bro, my friend. Nigga, fuck y'all, nigga. I ain't got no motherfucking bros and friends, nigga. I got 2 niggas involved in my life that fuck with me that one way, and them the niggas I fuck with that one way. The rest of you motherfuckers, y'all just cordial associates. I want you to get it right, man. I'd be damned if I went around this motherfucker again calling a nigga my bro or friend. None of that shit. You ain't none of that shit to me, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. You niggas bitches. In real life. And we can fight or whatever. The best thing for you to do is try to get me out the way, because the shit ain't gonna stop. Motherfuckers always want to speak on my name, run around speaking on my name. Nigga, I'm running around that motherfucker with fighting motherfucking fake ass cases. Who coming on my side? Ain't nobody telling the motherfucker they wrong. My fault, Bear. Shout out to Bear. Bear the only motherfucker stood up and told the motherfucker, hey, I ain't going to court, but if I have to stand on the stand for that man, I'm going to stand on that stand for that man because that's my friend, and I know he ain't did shit to you. Only motherfucker. Everybody else, oh, I'm going to stay out of it. I'm cool with both of y'all. Come on, man. Some of the weirdest shit just happened to me, bro. The weirdest shit, bro. And I had to get the fuck out of there to even try to get some type of understanding, nigga. A motherfucker smile in your face, nigga, and talk about you behind your back, nigga. You know how you niggas is, man. You niggas ain't cool, bro. At the end of the day, all type of fuck shit going on with me. And the motherfuckers I'm calling my friend, they ain't calling me. They ain't saying nothing. But in real life, niggas some bitches. But like I said, we can do whatever, bro. We can do whatever. So, you know, run around, motherfucker play me, try to play me like a straight dope fiend, bro. I'm smoking dope, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. But for the people that know me, know this shit ain't real, man. Nothing real about this shit. I gotta run around like I'm being hunted, nigga. Hide from my life, but don't nobody got nothing to say about it. But it's cool. My main thing was to address the bullshit. And if you don't want to be in nothing, as a nigga, you don't want to be in nothing, stay out of it. But when you implicate yourself in some shit, a motherfucker call you and you do something, you implicated, nigga. You in it. I don't give a fuck what you talking about. Motherfucker call me and say, hey, can you do this? I don't got nothing to do with that. Don't call me. I ain't got nothing to do with it. Don't call me. And I'm hanging up on them. But once I give you directions on how to do something or orchestrate something, nigga, you in it, nigga. Don't tell a motherfucker, keep a motherfucking name out of something, you in it. And ain't no nigga checking me. Ain't no nigga checking me. Once again, ain't no nigga checking me. So if a motherfucker told a motherfucker they check me in my face, nigga. Let's get it, nigga. Check me in my face. When I touch down, I want to see you check me, nigga. If you check me, nigga, and you know who I'm talking about, whoever the motherfucking nigga, if you told that bitch you check me, nigga, check me then. Cause I don't give a fuck about none of that, nigga.